It feels great. Thank you so much. I think the transformation is massive because before the first 6 weeks, I had no idea of what to do and where to start when it came to wanting to learn about valuation and desiring to start preparing for the CFA, which is my goal, was attending this bootcamp. And this bootcamp forced me to go out of my comfort zone. And despite myself constantly doubting what I do and always feeling like the things I'm saying and the knowledge I have is not enough, it forces me to practice anyway. And it forces me to ignore this perfectionism. And I like the friendly yet forcing environment of this bootcamp. And I think I've come a long way with a lot of improvement to be made. My reason is that I took interest in the CFA challenge and I wanted to take it on. And as a business student, I realized that my diploma and my studies are very vague and they don't give me any type of direction or competitive advantage over other students. And I realized that I have to pick a niche and go for it, pick a sector and go for it and learn as much as I can.